How to see other viewers on Facebook story. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see other viewers on Facebook story. Watch the video till the end. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on device and simply head towards your story, and then there you will find other viewers at bottom left. So in order to find out other people's on Facebook story, you have to select three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, select settings and privacy, and then tap settings. Now you have to scroll down again. And from the setting and privacy page, you need to select stories under audience and visibility. Now you need to tap on who can see your story and select custom. And now here you will see all the list of the peoples and friends on your story who can view your story, but unfortunately there is no such way to view others viewers on Facebook story due to the Facebook privacy settings. So what you can do is simply come back again and then go to settings, tap on see more in account center, select your informations and permissions, and tap download your information. And now you need to select download or transfer your information and tap specific types of informations. And then you have to scroll down and choose a story. If you don't get the story, you can easily search for the post as well and tap the next button. Now tap on download to device and then tap create file and your information will be prepared. Once done, you can easily go to that downloaded files and see other viewers on Facebook story. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.